tinini protes amna kisi
DSF ayi sung si DSF sung 50 more than 50 years bagi sung kokrok subject no romance skribai reng sering mani haparo sirnan bagi sung ano thai mani hailai no saimano sung 2 mas sekang sung governor no tirpana sung kok memorandum lagi memorandum itu sung apa saya kamu aja sung 2 months no time room but after 2 months it's over. So we can't tolerate more about totally government of Tirupati Saya because we have for 2 months for time reserve only. But or 2 months bising over suno kono kaisa pana jawab ya na kaisa prok suno saya je ko prok no romance ki bai sinan bagai kitu ambo tani sing government ni saya mah ngake bor sai mano je sing borong abru sajak nor juri suno kuno kok thaino sin ka amari kok borong sinna bagai tamo borong ase mungkong ni khagram thingjak sing sinyani romance ki sinyani no borong tam khagram thingjak sing ab sing namu sing government ti prano JSF ni आंदोलन ini juri khorang khanawoi Tripura government kuno action ayake buskango ini matro 12 hours strike sungno pula pru sungor phaiya sungno dikte khanya angka but sung or peaceful rally khane payo peaceful protest khane payo peaceful strike sini sung kuno violence aja within one violence nor nai ji DSF ni history wo within one violence always we love peace because peace inga se jokona sung peace to sung sung sini mai strike soli tongo ni long trai beli hezamara hatai kotor madobari bisramgons omai kering jagano soli tongo first of all I want to thank all the media personnel. Actually we have bound to call that 12-hour strike today because 2 months before we have still now we don't get any notification, we don't get any notification about the program. So in the table of governor we have discussed that if don't get any notification within 2 months we are bound to call a strike. So today we have called a strike and this strike is totally we have observed this strike in all over the Tripura. Even today in some places the police has dictated our protesters because and through social media I want to request the government of India, please listen our voice. We DSF is demanding the romance script from past 50 years. So till now we don't get any notification or any notice from the side of government. So we want